100 ml of hydrocarbon is mixed with excess of oxygen and exploded. On cooling, the mixture was reported to have a contraction of 250 ml. The remaining gas, when passed through a solution of aqueous KOH, the mixture shows further contraction of 300 ml. Find the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon. Now, first point to understand over here, the different things what we have to take care over here is the points which has to be taken care. Let us understand one by one. The first point, we are considering the hydrocarbon. Let the hydrocarbon be CXHY. Okay, where X is the number of carbon atoms and Y is the number of hydrogen atoms. Now, when second point, in the second point, what they have said in the question, they have said on cooling the mixture after the combustion, further combustion happens CXHY. If I go for the combustion process, that means burning the substance in presence of oxygen. If I go for burning of a substance in presence of oxygen, every element will convert into its own oxides. So the carbon will convert into its oxide, hydrogen will convert into its oxide H2O. How many carbons are there? X. So X times carbon dioxide will be formed. Number of hydrogen atoms is Y. Half will be formed as water. How many hydrogens? Half will be formed as water. How many carbon? Same number will be formed as carbon dioxide. So first, this is what the products form. We know carbon dioxide is always a gas. Now here there are two options whether to take gas or a liquid. Initially we are taking it as a gas. Now what is happening here? Third point in the question. Now the mixture is cooled. The mixture of gases is cooled. Mixture is cooled. If it is cooled, what will be the resultant? If it is the mixture, in the mixture there is no more hydrocarbon left because it is completely combustion happened and only carbon dioxide and water produced. In the product of carbon dioxide and water on cooling, the only gas which will be liquefied, water, which is in the form of vapors, will be converted into water will be sorry so water will be converted to liquid. So the gas form of H2O will now convert into liquid, which results in contraction of how much volume? 250 ml. So this clearly indicates volume of H2O gas is equals to 250 ml. Volume of H2O gas is equals to 250 ml. Now same way, fourth point, when the mixture is passed through the resultant mixture. Now the resultant mixture is passed through KOH. If it is passed through KOH, what will happen? KOH will absorb completely carbon dioxide gas. It will absorb completely carbon dioxide gas, which results in contraction of, this results in contraction of 300 ml. Contraction of 300 ml, which clearly indicates volume of carbon dioxide is 300 ml. So now let us write the equation of CXHY plus, if I am writing the balanced equation, X plus Y by 4 into O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O. Now in this particular one, according to stoichiometry, this is 1 mole, this is X moles, and this is Y by 2 moles. So if I have taken 1 ml, this would result in X ml plus this would result in Y by 2 ml. This is what the conclusion. Now here we have taken 100 ml as per the question. We have taken 100 ml. This will result in 100 times X ml and 100 times y by 2m. We know this is equals to volume of H2O and this is equals to volume of carbon dioxide. We already know volume of H2O is how much? Volume of H2O is equals to 250 ml. So that means 100 into y by 2 is equals to 250 ml. Y will be equals to 5. Same way, volume of carbon dioxide, we know this is equals to 300 ml. So that means 100 x is equals to 300, x is equals to 3. So we know the x value and y value. So the formula, empirical formula becomes Cx C3 Hy C3 H5. So the option for this particular one, what is the answer? Option A, C3 H5.